अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप। सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
So half crunches with legs up. I'll just show you the form. You have to put your hands behind your head, lie down flat on your back, legs up, 90 degree, your knee to your hip 90 degree, and then again 90 degree here. Alright? And then you do the crunches, but half crunches. Alright? This is the form. Don't push your neck. Don't push your neck. Awesome. Keep going. You're really working on your upper abs and you're just engaging your lower abs as well. Awesome. 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 Let me correct the form. Wherever she's going wrong, I'll just correct the form. And whenever you think you can take a break, you think that is not, your form is dropping, you can take a break. Elbows out, elbows out, elbows out. Elbows should be out. You don't have to do the elbows like this. We are going to add some spice in the plank with leg lift, alternate leg lift. Lift your leg, squeeze your butt and lift. Alright? So let me correct her form. Little bit in front, straight line, here. Keep your hands here. Awesome. Butt down, and now you're lifting. Awesome. Keep your butt down. Always keep your butt down. Awesome. You will improve. You will be better. Then really awesome move for all the ab exercises. This is what we do. What we're going to do today is the side plank up and over. Alright, I'll show you the move. Go to the side plank, up and back, up and back, up and over like this on your knees and do it. If you feel that this is becoming tough for you, you can go on your knees but still maintain head to knee straight line. Keep going and count for yourself. Count for yourself. Up and over, up and over. This is what you need. Up and over. What's the count, Nikhil? What's the count?
25.
He is at 25. He is at 25. Look at the form. Alright.
28.
Alright. Good. So he has gone on to
30.
do it on the knee.
31.
That's okay. That's okay.
32.
And if you feel that you want to take a break, take a break. अगर आपको ये वर्कआउट सीरीज पसंद आ रही है तो कमेंट करें और अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ में शेयर करें. टिल देन, स्टे होम, स्टे फिट. सी यू सून.